Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain to you why she will not marry you. Hold on. You think because she's doing everything you want, you think she's going to get married to you? Sorry, no. She will not get married to you. Yes, of course, she will not. So stay with me till the end of this video as I hint you few points to make you understand why she will not get married to you. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and like my page. Please like my page. Everything that I'm going to explain to you here is from experiences. I mean vast experiences of people that I have done interview with or people that I've had connection or contact with. How it went down with them. Yes, how it went down with them. Please stay with me till the end of this video. As we go ahead, let's jump right into it. Thank you for staying with me. Hello. Thank you for staying with me till this point. Now, I want to explain to you why she will not get married to you. Yes, I'm going to explain to you with a few points so that you don't have to waste your time. Guys, it's high time you open your eyes. Open your eyes. There are things that these ladies do that you should know that they are not ready for marriage. Not at all. They are only catching cruise with you. They are only having all the nice time they want to have with you at the moment. So please stay with me. Just stay where you are, because I'm about to expose and open some things that you never think or ever imagine these ladies are doing. When she wears expensive wigs, weave-ons, yes, my brother, when her weave-on is costlier than your car or your phone. Oga, bros, sir, please. I think it's time you should take off. It's time you should start realizing she's only having you at the moment because you're satisfying one need or the other. It's time for you to run. I mean, it's time for you to run. So it's high time for you to start doing what you should do by arranging yourself and planning yourself to take off. Because no matter what you do, at the end of it all, she will not stay. When she advises you to buy expensive things, oh baby, you should buy me iPhone 14. 14. Please tell me, did her father buy her iPhone 14? No. So I think it's high time you should start realizing that this girl is playing with you. Is only hanging around with you because you can afford that. She's playing with you maybe because you're giving her good sex. She's playing with you maybe there's one thing or the other where you're filling in the gap. So that's why she's just there. She's hanging on. It's high time you should run. Please run. She is not ready to settle down with you. She is not. Can't you see the signs? That she makes you spend the money that you're supposed to use in preparing for the wedding. She's not ready to settle down. She talks about celebrities and attires in town. She is the first-class lady of attire. She talks about all the celebrities. She knows their name, knows their house, their community, their villages. She's not the one. It's high time you should take off. When she knows the clothes that is going to be happening, that is going to be trending by next month, I think it's high time you should run. She's not ready and willing to settle down for the moment. It's high time for you to start running. It's high time for you to start knowing what to do. Take off, my brother. Don't waste your time. She is not ready to settle down. when she knows the new celebrity in town, when she's in love with the new celebrity in town, when she's in love with the newest attire in town, it's high time you should run, because she's not willing to settle down, because she has not finished enjoying herself. When she is lazy to cook. Have you given her a test before? If you have not, bros, hello sir, please give her that test. Tell her to cook. You see, she is never ready to cook. Oh, my nails. Oh, this. Oh, the fire is hot. Oh, the kitchen is hot. She's not ready to settle down. She will never settle down with you. When she has nothing to offer more than sex, start to go. When she's only offering sex as an exchange of the future, as an exchange of appreciation, run from her. She's not ready to settle down. It's high time you begin your life. It's high time for you to say no to this relationship. She's not willing to marry you. She's never going to settle down with you. Yes. Because she thinks that sex will satisfy you. So she will only give you sex because she has nothing to offer. Her brains are empty. It is what it is. She's empty. She's never productive. Run away. Walk away. When she's complaining about your house, about everything, about your family members, she's not ready to settle down. She's only looking for an excuse to walk away. Walk away. She's not ready to settle down. It's high time for you to walk away, my brother. She's only into you because of what she's gaining at the moment. If she gets an exchange of what she's getting from you, from someone else, she'll walk away. When she complains about your mom, your brother, your sister, everybody related to you, she's not willing to settle down. If she hates book, she does not read any book. She does not read anything that would make her gain knowledge. Walk away. She is only there to dream you. She's only there to destroy your life. Walk away. Why stay with someone that is not productive? Why stay with someone that her brain is empty? Why stay with someone that cannot give anything back apart from sex? When she pays more attention to social media more than the future, more than you, or more than plans that she has, she will never settle down with you. When her hobby, whatever she does, is tied to social media, she will never settle down with you, because she will see people that are better than you and people that are, in fact, they are in every way I say, better than you. She's not willing to settle down with you. Why are you wasting your time? Why are you wasting all the energy? Why are you wasting all the comfort? Why are you wasting everything you have on someone that is not ready to be productive? Someone that cannot read to get wisdom or knowledge, so to say. She's only on social media. She's not even reading news, as a matter of fact. She's only going through pictures, anything that is flashy. That's what she goes after. She's not ready to settle down. I think you should think about it. She's not willing. She's not, as a matter of fact, it hasn't crossed her mind to settle down at the moment. When she easily gets angry and never forgives. Have you heard of winch hunting? She will winch hunt you until your life becomes miserable. She will winch hunt you until your life becomes miserable. What are you doing? A lady that cannot forgive who you are or the mistakes you've done in the past, she will never stay. She does not want to marry you. You're wasting your time, my friend. When she does not want to learn a new skill, when she does not want to learn any skill, when she does not want to be productive, she's only there to eat. Whatever that comes, whatever that she sees, she wants to eat. Whatever it is, she wants it. Whatever is trending, she's on it. Walk away. She does not want to learn any skill. She just wants it that everything is manna, is falling from heaven. Everything is skyrocketing. Life is so easy. Life is so soft. Know that something is wrong. She does not want to settle down. Do you know why she does not want to settle down? One man to the other. She wants to jump from one man to the other to get whatever she wants at the moment. But if she's ready to labor, there is payment in labor. When she does not want to labor, when she does not want to get a skill, when she does not want to be productive, when she hates cleaning, when she hates cleaning, she is never ready to do anything that looks good, that is good. If she lacks respect, walk away. She does not respect who you are, your person, your family members, or even anybody around you. As bad as it is, walk away. Because she is ready to destroy your life, your family, and everything that is more important to you or related to you. Walk away. Don't let her eat you up. Don't let her destroy your destiny. Don't let her destroy your life. When she is arrogant, when she does something for you and tells the whole world that she is the one that did it for you, walk away. You see, this is a topic that if I want to dwell on, will take us the next 6 hours. When she is so arrogant, she does not see where humility should play. She's ready to destroy your career. She's ready to destroy your life. When she is too proud of her achievements, what she has accomplished, what she is, who her father is, who her mother is, walk away. Because if she eventually helps you one way or the other, she's going to tell the whole world about it. In fact, as a matter of fact, when she is too proud, when her shoulders are up high, she will not see you as the man. She will see you as the mate. That's a mystery, right? She will see you as her mate, as her equal. So I don't think you should settle down or settle in for anything like that. When she does not have sense of humor, conversation, when she's boring in everything, when she says you're boring in conversation, in bed, in whatever it is, whatever that is related to you or whatever that concerns you. Because when you propose to her, she will tell you, no, you're boring. It's high time you let her go. She's only there because she's having a nice time with what she's getting. I think it's high time you live your life. You don't have to be dependent on what you call love. That's blindness. That's stupidity. Walk away from that drama of the future. You don't want to go through what men go through. Do you? When she drinks too much of alcohol, walk away, my guy. When she is into many alcohol, walk away. Because she will drink you out of life. She will drink you into poverty. Because she does not see that you should save. She does not see you should invest your money. She does not see that you should do anything that is meaningful. She's ready to drain you, drink and drunk, not just drunk. She's ready to do anything for the drink. She's not the woman you're ready to settle down with. Meanwhile, she won't settle down with you. Because if you're not in the same climate, in the same level of alcoholic life she's living, she won't want to settle down with you. When she watches TV more than the plans she had, when she watches TV more than anything in her life, she will not get married to you. Please do walk away. You see this, ladies, let me explain something to you. When they see an opportunity of someone they can use, someone they can drain, someone they can destroy, they go ahead in doing it over and over again, not minding what the pain or the pains they are going to cause you. You see that lady, she's not ready to settle down. She's not even seeing anything good about you. She's not seeing anything productive about you. That's why she does not care. You should be mindful of your life. You should be mindful of who you're dealing with or who you want to go into a relationship with. Walking away is the best choice you can do right now. Walk away. Don't stay. No. Don't stay. No. Don't stay. Walk away. It's high time you walk away. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. And I am sure you have questions to ask me. You can go down below. My email is there. Mail me. Ask me any questions. I'm here to answer you. I'm here to talk to you. Thank you for staying with me once again. I love you and I love you. My main purpose is to help you, support you, make you better, develop you in every area of your life. So thank you for staying with me till the end of this video today. I'm glad you stayed with me till now. I love you. Please like my page and subscribe. Thank you.